Hi, today we are going to learn about the sternocleidomastoid muscle. As you can see that sternocleidomastoid is a muscle in the neck, and it is called as a key muscle in the neck because it is both a very important muscle for its action and also it is a landmark muscle. So in the neck, it is going to divide the neck into an anterior triangle, which is over here, and a posterior triangle, which is over here. So that view is very clear when you look from the lateral aspect. So sternocleidomastoid, if you look at the attachments of sternocleidomastoid, it has a sternal head, which is this part. It is taking origin from the manubrium sterni. And this part is the clavicular head. So that is a sternocleido origin of the sternocleidomastoid. And if you look at the insertion, these two pins are showing the insertion. The insertion is on the mastoid, and you know mastoid is part of the temporal bone, but it also has a small attachment to the superior nuchal line on the occipital bone. If you look at the nerve supply, which is a very commonly asked question, the nerve supply is by the accessory nerve. As you remember, accessory nerve is descending down through the jugular foramen. Soon it goes posteriorly and it goes underneath the sternocleidomastoid. You can see it is running underneath the sternocleidomastoid and it is supplying the sternocleidomastoid. And after that, you can see it is exiting out from the sternocleidomastoid if you look from the lateral aspect. And that is why the accessory nerve is said to be a content of the posterior triangle. It is running deep to the sternocleidomastoid, but after that, it is a very important content in the posterior triangle that needs to be secured whenever you are dissecting the posterior triangle. Now, if you look at the actions of the sternocleidomastoid, it turns the head to the opposite side. Okay, sternocleidomastoid, when it contracts, it turns the chin towards the contralateral side if one side sternocleidomastoid is contracting. And also, if both sternocleidomastoids are contracting together, the head can protrude forwards. Okay, a protrusion movement of the head on the trunk that occurs when both the sternocleidomastoids are contracting.